National Australian Bank Apple Pay arrives for NAB customer. Apple Pay is NAB after pay facility. National Australian Bank NAB customers can now access Apple Pay with the service live from this morning. Apple Pay provides customers with an easy, secure, and private way to pay via their iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac, and is available for NAB personal and business customers with an eligible NAB Visa debit or credit card. NAB Chief Customer Experience Officer Rachel Slade said, "We have been hearing from customers that they want Apple Pay, and it's great to be able to launch this service today. We are continuing to listening to customer feedback and take action to become the bank our customer want. As part of our transformation, we are investing significantly in our technology and digital services to support our customers to manage their money how they choose." NAB is contacting eligible customers to let them know about the arrival of Apple Pay and how they can start immediately using the service. About Apple Pay, security and privacy is at the core of Apple Pay. When you use a credit or debit card with Apple Pay, the actual card number are not stored on the device nor on Apple server. Instead, a unique device account number is assigned, encrypted, and securely stored in the secure element on your device. Each transaction is authorized with a one-time unique dynamic secure code. Apple Pay is easy to set up, and users will continue to receive all the rewards and benefits offered by credit and debit cards. In stores, Apple Pay was with the iPhone SE, iPhone 6, and later and Apple Watch.